This is a maths practice video from AB Education. Introduction to factors and prime numbers. We're going to look at an example. 12 can be made by multiplying together 2 and 6 or 6 and 2. We could use 3 times 4 or 4 times 3, or we could use 1 times 12 or 12 times 1. The numbers we have used are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These numbers are called the factors of 12. The number 20 can be made by 1 times 20, 20 times 1, 2 times 10, 10 times 2, 4 times 5 or 5 times 4. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. You could pause the video while you find the factors of each number. And here are the answers. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Now let's look at the numbers 1 to 9. Number 1 is special, as the only way we can make it is by multiplying 1 times 1. So it only has one factor, and that's itself. Number 2 can be made by 1 times 2 or 2 times 1, so its factors are 1 and 2. 3 can be made by 1 times 3 and 3 times 1, so its factors are 1 and 3. 4 can be made by 1 times 4, 4 times 1, but also 2 times 2. So its factors are 1, 2 and 4. 5 has 1 times 5 and 5 times 1, so its factors are 1 and 5. 6 is 1 times 6, 6 times 1, 2 times 3 and 3 times 2, so it has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. 7, 1 times 7, 7 times 1, so its factors are 1 and 7. 8, 1 times 8, 8 times 1, 2 times 4 and 4 times 2, so its factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 9, 1 times 9, 9 times 1, 3 times 3, so its factors are 1, 3 and 9. Now look carefully at the number 2. It only has 2 factors, 2 and 1. It can only be made by multiplying itself and 1. The others here that only have 2 factors are 3, 5 and 7. Each of these can only be made by multiplying itself and 1. These numbers are called prime numbers. Number 2 is special, as it is the only even number that is also a prime number. Find the factors for each of these numbers. Then say which of 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 are prime numbers. You could pause the video while you do this. Here are the answers. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. The factors of 19 are 1 and 19. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So we can see that 17 and 19 are prime numbers, as each one only has itself and 1 as factors.